I am so bored. What should I do at McDonald's? That's it. If no one is here, I can get a job. Now I'll just wait for my customer.
Hi Greg, can I get a job here please?
Sure.
Hi Murray and Greg. Can I get a job there too please?
Sure, Anthony.
Hi Wiggles. Can I get a job here 3 please?
Sure, Jeff.
Hi Wiggles. Can I get a job there 4 please?
Sure, Dorothy.
Hi Wiggles and Dorothy.
Can we get a job there?
Sure.
Now we just have to wait for a customer to arrive.
Hi Tommy, welcome to McDonald's. How can we help you?
Can I get 100 fries, 100 burgers and a large Coke please?
I'm afraid we can't give you that much because you will get fat and my boss will kill me for getting one of the customers fat.
Well, maybe this £10,000 note might earn you give that much, plus, you can keep that change.
Oh, did I say I can give you that much? I meant, I can give you that much. Just go sit on the table and we will arrive with your food.
Wow, Tommy, you're the one who wanted all this food. So what? You're gonna get fat from this and I will make fun of you at school. Just give me the dumb food already. Sure thing. Here you go. Thanks. That was a good meal. Oh no. I'm fat. I need to go to the hospital and get surgery to remove the fat. You guys made me so fat. That's it. I'm going to phone your parents.
Wiggles and Dorothy.
Warren.
Brian. Eric.
Wiggly TV.
Zach.
We cannot believe you made Tommy fat. He's one of my favorite characters from the Nicktoons.
All of you are grounded for 2 weeks.
I'm reporting in a David the Animation Guy.
There will be no computer, no TV, no video games, and many more.
What are you talking about?
You are grounded, which means no fun, no YouTube, and no GoAnimate.
When we get home, you will all go upstairs to your rooms. And look, Warren. David the Animation Guy is here.
Hello, it is me David Mattson aka David the Animation Guy. How dare you open up McDonald's with Brian, Eric, Wiggly TV, Zach, the Wiggles and Dorothy. That's it. You are grounded. I'm going to call J. Poland cause 2000 is back, and his teacher Mrs. Shaw.
Warren, this has gotta teach you a lesson. You will be wearing nappies for the rest of your life.
Yes. That's right, Warren. You are now wearing nappies.
Now you will get Kayla's voice as your punishment.
No. Change it back. Change it back.
You will stay as Kayla's voice for the rest of your natural-born life. And also, you are becoming a non-teenager for the rest of your life.
You see this, Warren? This is why you are a non-teenager, because you are now wearing nappies. And guess what, Wiggly TV? I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
Wiggly TV, say your ABCs.
Na
Now when you turn into a baby, you stay babies. Come with me, Wiggly TV. You are going to be grounded when we get home.
By the way, you are grounded for 2 weeks. Goodbye, man, I hate those troublemakers.